This time we are going to learn how to make transparent pic on Photoshop. Now, we're going to go back. You can have whatever size you want. Going back here, setting everything up as is. The only change for this tutorial is you're going to change the background content to transparent. And then OK. In that case, if you would like, okay, you can drag this to this new file and then like that. Okay, let us see what happens. In this case, we're going to save it as a PNG. So this is very much advisable for those vloggers or editors who would like to show something plain. Okay, so we're going to save it as a PNG. There you go. So what happens is that when you transfer this to a video editor, you can only see something like this. Okay, I will show you something moving, right? It's moving. Now what happens is that when you import the picture, the PNG picture with the transparent background, here is what happens. Okay, so that is how it looks like here, but when you put that over the video, this is how it's gonna look like. See, there's no background, there's no white background existing. That means it's a transparent background. There you go. Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope I was able to help you.